Hi, I'm Hélène de Posson, the author and founder of the Self-Healing Spiral, and today I'm going to teach you how to welcome your emotions. Why is it so important to welcome your emotions? What does it mean to welcome and honor your emotions? And how do you actually do that? Well, I'm going to answer to all these questions for you. It is really important to welcome your emotions because that's what emotions are for. When you're feeling an emotion, it can be sadness, guilt, frustration, anger. It's actually because it's coming from your ego and it has to be released. Because when an emotion is released, it's actually helping you to heal, helping you to let go of something that doesn't serve you anymore. And it's important to welcome your emotions because if you don't, that means that you're gonna suppress them. You're gonna close the box they're in and definitely not let them come outside of you. And they're gonna stay inside of you and you can actually become addicted to some of your emotions. Neurologically and chemically, we can become addicted to these emotions and we're gonna create them more and more. That's why we say that people that are angry, they become even more angry with time and when they age. This is exactly why, because we are addicted to emotions. And if we don't release them, well, they can be stuck somewhere in our body and they can then create some pain, some illnesses, and so on. So it's really important to welcome your emotions. What does it actually mean to welcome and honor your emotions? Well, it means that you're going to put your emotions at the place that they deserve. Consider your emotions as VIP persons that you're inviting to your home. You're opening the door to them, you're serving them a cup of coffee or tea, and you're listening to what they have to say. Every single emotion has something to tell you about yourself. When you're feeling sad, it's actually your body releasing the hopes, the expectations that don't serve you anymore. When you're feeling angry, it's because your body is really saying, no, this is the limit. I am here to protect you. The anger is there to protect you. When you're feeling guilt, it's usually linked to the wound of humiliation. You're going to think everything is your responsibility. Well, actually, it's no one's responsibility. It's not your fault. People have their own vision of life, their own judgment, their own reality, and they react because of that, but it's not your fault. So every emotion really has a message to deliver to you and something to tell you about yourself. And you need to honor them because you're then going to consider them as allies and not as enemies. I'm going to share with you a really powerful exercise. So I want you to be ready for that. Put both your feet on the floor and close your eyes and connect with a moment in the past days, in the last days, where you didn't feel at ease, where you didn't feel well, where you were sad or angry or frustrated, upset maybe. Just connect with that situation where you didn't feel well. And close your eyes. Allow the thoughts that were in that situation to come back. It might be thoughts such as, I'm such a loser, I'm so sad, it's so unfair, I don't understand, I feel so lonely, I'm worth nothing. Just allow the thoughts to go through you and observe how it's making you feel physically. Observe the physical sensations. You might feel something in your legs moving. You might feel your throat being blocked. Maybe it's in your belly. Maybe you're having a heat wave. Maybe a headache that is starting. Just observe how the emotion is expressing itself in your body. You might feel some more tension somewhere. And you can put your hand there where you feel more tension. And allow the emotion to flow through your body and reach your hand. Welcome your emotion in your hand. If you feel like crying, let the tears roll down. If you feel angry, let the anger express itself. If you're afraid, that's fine because you are safe here. Allow yourself to feel the fear. And then with your own words, repeat the next sentence. Yes, I'm sad. Yes, I'm not okay. And it's perfectly normal that I'm feeling all this after what happened to me. Repeat this again. Yes, I'm sad. I am not okay. And it's perfectly normal that I'm feeling all this after what I've been through. I am now welcoming that emotion because I am here for myself. Release your hand. And together we're going to take a big inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Let it go. Let it come out of you. Release it when you exhale. Once again, inhale. And one more time, inhale. Stay with your eyes closed. Stay here a few seconds. And then we're going to honor the emotion by thanking it. With your own words again, repeat after me. Thank you, emotion, for coming today. Thank you for opening the door to myself. And thank you for helping me heal. And whenever you are ready, you can open your eyes or come back. You might still feel a bit of tension in your body, so don't hesitate to move, go for a walk, stretch yourself, let it go. And if you still feel like crying, just do this again. And if you're still angry, just do this again. It's important to let all the emotion go. Thank you really much for watching this video. I hope this helped you. If you liked it, you can like this video or subscribe to my channel. Or if you want to know more and learn other tools on how to welcome your emotions, well, let's meet. You can book a breakthrough session with me. It's a free session where we just get to know each other and where I can tell you how the self-healing spiral and all her tools, all these tools, can help you heal, transform yourself and start over. Have a beautiful day.